Hey guys, I thought I'd pop on and share some current favourites with you because I haven't done that in forever. So, the first product. I had this for ages, didn't use it because I had a load of other skincare products on the go, and then I thought one day, do you know what? That sounds really interesting. So it's by WishTrend, and they're Korean, I believe, and it's their Green Tea and Enzyme Powder Face Wash. Green tea powder, papain enzymes, exfoliating and polishing for all skin types. It's amazing. It smells like tea. Who'd have thunk? And it's a really fine powder. You just put a little bit in the palm of your hand, you mix it with water. I use warm water, sometimes I use cold water, it just depends how I'm feeling. If I want to be refreshed in the morning, you just mix it with a little bit of water, put it in. It's really mildly abrasive. It's not like abrasive in a kind of apricot kernel way. It's really mildly abrasive, but I don't know, it just does something to my skin. It makes my skin look really like refreshed. It's a bit strange, but it does. So I've been using that pretty much every day. I don't use it at night because I prefer to use it in the morning, but I have been using that every day, and I'm pretty sure you can buy it online from WishTrend. I'll link it below if I can find it. So that's their green tea and enzyme powder wash. It's kind of unique. I really like the idea of it. Another face type product that I just recently discovered and I banged on about endlessly on Instagram. I did a little video of it and I said I was going to do an update on it, which I will do. It's by a company called Bielenda, and it's their Makeup Academy Magic Water. It's a primer, highlighter and moisturiser in one. They do 4 different shades, and I got the Nude Glass Skin one. Now this is pretty much a dupe, I would say. I haven't actually ever used the Iconic, but you can see for the Iconic. Look at that, isn't that stunning? I don't have it on today because I don't want to waste it. It sounds silly, so I use it when I go out or when it's particularly hot, but it's been peeing down with rain today, so we don't have to worry about that. And it adds like this glass effect to your skin. It's not shimmery or glittery, it's just this beautiful effect that is just, it's subtle, but you definitely know it's there. I sprayed a bit on my hand when I first got this, went straight out in direct sunlight. The glow and the glimmer this stuff gives off is unreal. I got this from, they're called Natalie Cosmetics. I will link it down below. You can get it on eBay, but Natalie Cosmetics do it for a little bit cheaper, and they do next day delivery with DHL. This is absolutely amazing. I was going to buy the Iconic. Excuse my nails. I haven't painted them. I was going to buy the Iconic, but do you know what? Look at that, isn't that beautiful? I could look at that all day. I'm not going to bother. This was £4, I believe, $4.20. It's amazing. I spray it on my face. Sometimes I use it twice. Sometimes I use it to spray it on my face before I put my foundation on, and then I will use it after I've done all of my makeup. And sometimes I don't put it on my face directly, my skin directly before I put my makeup on. Sometimes I just use it just to finish off my makeup. In terms of like whether it lengthens the wear of your makeup, I totally believe it does. Like, I totally believe it does. I don't know how it does it. I've absolutely no idea. But it is absolutely amazing. I want all the other colours. They do a pink, they do a bronze, they do a gold. So I definitely want all the other colours. But this one I think I would recommend starting with first, because it's so flattering. It just gives this glow. Your makeup and your face just looks glowing. And I use it on my chest as well. It's amazing. It's kind of like melds everything together, but it adds this beautiful glow to you. It's unreal. Love it. I've been really into shopping on eBay recently, and I've been really into kind of researching and looking for brands that we can't readily get in the UK. I'm just fed up with, you know, similar types of brands. It's all the same thing. So I've really been researching different kinds of makeup brands and skincare brands and stuff. So I found Eveline Cosmetics, and they do loads of mascaras. They do loads of everything, but they do loads of mascaras. And this one is their Megasize Lashes. Ultra volume mascara. Everybody raved about this in the reviews on eBay. And you know what? The brush sold me on it. The brush is amazing. It's a beautiful formulation. You can build it up. You can make it really dramatic, or you can just kind of leave it for a natural look. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. Look at it. Isn't it gorgeous? Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love this, and it doesn't drop all over your face either. So that's by Eveline Cosmetics, one of my other little eBay finds. Another eBay find of mine, but I've known about this for a while, but not this particular foundation. This is the Phoera Liquid Foundation Natural Look Velvety Matte, Oil-Free, Lightweight, Long Wear, Flawless. I've been using Phoera foundations for a while. I use their one in the little pump, the one that looks like the one by The Ordinary. But I saw this on eBay and I thought, well, do you know what? I'm going to give that a go. I love this. In both of the foundations, I'm the shade 102 Nude. This stuff is amazing. I do have other foundations and I have pricier foundations because this is dirt cheap on eBay, like it's dirt cheap. But I always go back to this. It just, I don't know, it just kind of makes you look really healthy and it doesn't look like you're caked in foundation. I don't know how they do it, I have no idea, but it looks like this. I love this stuff. Need a new one soon, look at that. I love it, little goes a long way. It mixes beautifully with my liquid highlighters because I'm really into liquid highlighters at the moment. It lasts, it wears, it's kind of waterproof, I would say. I mean, obviously not swimming, but like rain, if you get caught in the rain or whatever, kind of humidity proof. It's amazing and it's dirt cheap, so that's by Phoera. A couple of brushes I've been loving. This one I was sent a kit like ages ago, like literally years ago, guys. And I have so many brushes on my vanity that I have never touched. I know it sounds appalling. The reason for it is even more appalling. The reason for it is, what the hell is this on the television? I don't know. The reason for it is that I have so many brushes that are already in my current collection that I use that I can't be bothered to wash. And the thought of dirtying brand new brushes and then not washing them kind of fills me with dread. It's terrible. But anyway, this is one of those brushes, but you can see I broke my golden rule for this one because this baby's been used. This is the Sigma Duo Fibre Powder Blush and it's F15. I don't know whether that matters. It came in a kit they sent me. I'm talking about years ago. I tell you what I use this for. Okay, I don't use it for powder and I don't use it for blush. I use it to blend out my liquid highlight. Now, my thing about liquid highlight is I was always worried about putting it on over powder because I do wear powder. There's not a day goes by where I don't wear powder over my foundation. I was worried about using liquid highlighter over powder. I tried it with different brushes and it smeared, it took the makeup off underneath. I thought, oh, for God's sake. So I finally thought, you know what, I'm going to actually give this brush a go. So it was calling out to me in my collection. I thought, you know what, let's give it a go. If not, if it doesn't work, whatever, we'll just wash it off, start again. And I just like dot a pipette from the pipette of whatever highlighter I'm using. It's usually the Revolution ones. And then quickly, I'm just like this on the skin, just dab. Oh, it doesn't take the powder off underneath. It doesn't take your makeup off underneath. It just gives this beautiful glow. It just spreads out the product like magic. Oh my God, if you struggle with blending in liquid highlighters, or any liquid product, I would imagine, liquid blushes and stuff, this would probably be brilliant for, then the Duo Fibre Powder Blush F15 from Sigma is a godsend, trust me. Another brush that I had, like I didn't use it, I still have the box for it, it was sent to me by Urban Decay, and I've now found use for this baby. This is their Shapeshifter brush. It's their Shapeshifter F113. I had this for like literally years and I'm like, I don't know, whatever. I have so many brushes. Once again, back to me being lazy. So I didn't do anything with it. And then I thought, oh, you know what? I wanted it to kind of blend in my contour and stuff because I use the Rodial Eye Sculpt a lot of the time. It's the stuff in the little pot. I use that to contour a lot of the time. But I got some contour palettes and I thought I don't really have a brush that's specific for contouring. So I pulled out this bad boy. This is a dream. It blends out cream products. What is the matter with me today? It blends out cream products. It blends out powder products. Amazing. And then this end, I've never been a fan of fan brushes. I've never been a fan of fan brushes, but this, once I've put my liquid highlighter on, I've blended it in with Sigma, there's a new one, the Sigma F15. I then go over the top with the powder highlighter of my choice. You don't have to do that. I just like to give it an extra bling. I go over the top with the powder highlighter of my choice. This baby, it doesn't look like it would do a lot, but it does. It picks up so much product and there's no kickback. It just kind of, oh, it's amazing. So that is the Shapeshifter. It's a very expensive brush, I think, but I think it's worth it. So that's by Urban Decay. I'm going to segue straight into contouring and highlighting because that's what I've been going on about. I picked this up when, oh, I think Revolution is still having their sale, but yeah. I picked this up on one of my many orders from Revolution because there were a lot of them. I know. It's the Imogenation palette. It's the Highlight to the Moon palette. And I think it was my second order. I was going to get it and they didn't have it. So of course I had to go back and place a third order right when they got it back in stock. Oh, look at the packaging. The packaging is so pretty. I freaking love this kit. Like, I love this kit. All of these, they're coming up a bit warm on camera, but all of these are really nice, cool tone contouring shades. I've been using literally this one here a lot. They are really cool toned. I've been using that a lot. I actually didn't think I would use these shades. I haven't used this one yet, but I have been using these shades just to set my concealer under my eyes. They're perfect for that. They're beautiful. And then of course, you know me with my highlighters, right? Look at these. Look at them. They are so freaking pretty. So, you know, I had to get that because I love my contouring products. I love my highlighting products. And this is absolutely phenomenal because you know what? If you're going away, well, I overdo. If you're going, it's a problem when you have dogs. Yeah, can't leave them. So yeah, if you're going away, you don't need like ton of highlighters, ton of, you know, powders, ton of whatever's contouring compact. You just need this. I love this. It's amazing. I don't know if it's, I think the sale is still going on. What is wrong with my speech? I think the sale is still going on. This is a Fibre. Wonderful. Another thing I picked up from Revolution that I pretty much use every day, it's their highlighter wardrobe, but I would consider it more of a highlighter and a bronzer wardrobe. What I've been doing recently is in place of using blush, did I do it today? No. Usually, in place of using blush, I use a kind of shimmery bronzer and then put a highlighter over the top of it. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So I've been using this. The only thing that I wish it wasn't was cardboard, because it's staining around some of the pans, but that's just my OCD coming out, my clean thing. But I've been using like a mixture of like these shades here to kind of as my blush, because some of these can pass as blush shades as well. I haven't used these two yet, but they are beautiful. So I've been using the others and then going over the top of the bronzer with a highlighter. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this palette. Absolutely to die for. Love this palette. So I picked up two of their eyeshadow palettes. This one is the Life on the Dance Floor After Party, and this one is the VIP. Oh my God, guys, I've actually not used any of my other eyeshadow palettes. Really, to goodness I haven't. Since I got these. Just the color combinations, the pigmentation, these are a steal. I got these for $5 each. I thought, you know what, if they're not that pigmented, it doesn't really matter. You know, I just wanted to have a play around with, you know, a different kind of, I don't know, I just wanted some palettes I could have a play around with. But oh my God, these are insane on the quality. This one I think is probably my favorite because it's like the most neutral of the two and I can do a lot with it. I love these. These shades all remind me of the Naked Heat palette. I love these kind of like minky champagne shades. I've been using these constantly, guys. I don't know if the sale is still on, as I said, but if it is, definitely these are a recommendation of mine. They are really, really solid quality. Three more products that they're not, I can't say they're favourites because they only arrived this morning and I'd already got my makeup on, but I wanted to show you guys anyway. I wanted a new powder. I always use the L'Oreal True Match or I use the L'Oreal Infallible powders, but I wanted something different. And I'm very funny with powders. I need them to kind of keep my face on. I need them to be the right colour. I need them to be all sorts of things. And you know, I've only ever found those two powders from L'Oreal to be the ones that have kind of catered to my needs. But I saw this on eBay. The L'Oreal Glam Beige Healthy Glow Powder. This one is in light. And I read lots of reviews on it, and I don't think it was not real. I think I'm right in saying it wasn't released in this country. I think it was just released in the rest of Europe. But I thought I'll take a flyer. I just love the sound of it. If you read the description, a light tan powder, that kind of worried me a bit. Infused with precious flower oils that instantly creates a natural healthy glow, a new delicate experience that beautifies the complexion with a warm and radiant satin finish. It smells lovely as well. It says it on the back, it smells nice, but I can smell it. Now, I opened it and I thought, oh God, it's too tan. But it's, do you know what? I compared it to my True Match that I've really nearly run out of. Very nearly. And it's not actually that tan. You see? It's kind of deceptive in the pan. If you look at it, you can't really see it. It's not really detectable. So, it does smell nice. So I'm going to look forward to giving that a go. I think I'll get on board with that. I hope it's a lovely powder. I do like L'Oreal powders. They're pretty much the only ones I ever buy or use. So hopefully. Two other products. These are both from O.Two.O, who I love. I love O.Two.O. Oh, whoops. The first one is, and I have used this today, this is their Rose Gold Quinn. Scratching his collar. Quinn. This is their Rose Gold Elixir 24 karat gold infused beauty oil. You can use this as a primer onto your makeup. You can mix it with your foundation. Oh my goodness. Or what I wanted it primarily for, and this does have 24 karat gold flakes in it. It's really pretty. What I wanted it for was a lip oil before I put my lipstick on, or just to sink into my lips while I'm doing the rest of my makeup. I just love this. I used it earlier and it's so plumpy and hydrating on the lips. I suffer from really dry lips. I don't know why. Weird, I do. And nothing really kind of works. Lip balms just don't fly with me. But this, the Rose Gold Elixir, oh, it's so nice. I got all these things on eBay as well, so if you put the name of these in, they should come up. Love it. Love the smell, love the consistency. It's not an oily oil, if you know what I mean. Like, it's not a nighttime kind of oil. Definitely can use this during the day. And then the last product before I leave you guys, I needed a new eyeliner. I always need new liquid liners, so I saw this one. I thought, why not? It's their Rose Gold Waterproof Liquid Liner from O.Two.O. Again, I love their packaging. Their packaging is to die for. Wait till you see the packaging of this pen. Unbelievable, guys. This, look at this. Isn't this classy? Isn't this like so like two-faced? I love it. And then it unscrews like this. Ooh. Look at that. Super thin nib. This stuff is, I think I'm gonna love this. So I haven't tried those yet, but the packaging alone is stunning. I don't know if you can see the logo, it does have the name on it. Anyway, so those are my picks and a few new things that I cannot wait to try tomorrow. I hope you guys are well. Come and follow me on Instagram, it's Wildcat Makeup. I'm always there. Come and say hi. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.